In this example, we're going to use two knobs and a slider. So the knob feature is also located in the toolbar, and I'm going to drop one there, another one here. And then I need to assign the variables to these knobs that I want to vary to experiment. So this first knob, we're going to assign birth rate, and the second knob will assign lifespan. And with this knob, the actual name of the variable, as you noticed, is reference lifetime, and I'd rather have it be a shorter name. So in the panel for this particular knob, I'm going to change the name to be lifespan, so it will fit better. I'm also going to change the color, so I'm going to try to use the blue from the logo for this color. So I'm going to go to the Styles panel for the knob, and where I see the color, where I can set the color, I will click on Pick Screen Color and get that blue and click OK. And I'll do the same with this and click OK. We're also going to add one more input device. We're going to add a slider. And we're going to assign this slider to a variable called carrying capacity. And for the slider, I'm going to use one of the options called a stylized slider, which I think looks really nice on the page. And we're going to have it match the blue of the other knobs. So we'll go to the Styles panel and do the same thing. And we'll use a screen color from the logo. So now we've got three different input devices with which we can control the level of birth rate, lifespan, carrying capacity, and we'll be able to see how that actually impacts the population and carrying capacity.